Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are so good. Okay, ठीक है कर लेते दोबारा. Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are good. So students, today we have chapter number 5 which is multiple and factors. यहाँ पर हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? We have to read about the multiples and factors. So first of all, we have to understood about the what are the multiples and what are the factors. So when we multiply something to any number, right? So we have multiplicand and we multiply. But the condition is we have same multiplicand and the multiplier are the different. So it means we have the multiples. Okay, now the term which is factors, it means कि जब भी हम division करते हैं तो जो numbers हमारे पास आते हैं, right, that is called their division. एक वो factors कि एक particular number से, for example 24 किस किस नंबर से डिवाइड हो सकता है, तो इट मीन्स फैक्टर्स. सो नाउ factors, we know that 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, then 3 and 5 are the factors of the 15. Thus a number which divides the dividend completely leaving no remainder is known as the number's factor. Multiple, in the fact of 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. 15 is called multiple of 3 and 5. So first we have even and odd numbers. So a whole number exactly divisible by 2 is called even number, and which number is not exactly divisible by 2, it's called odd number. And you can also say the numbers which present in the twos table are the refer as the even numbers, and those numbers which are not appears in the twos table, those are odd numbers. Okay, next, prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers mean the factor is only themselves or the one. Okay, now numbers which have exactly two factors and the number itself are called prime numbers. For example, 2 3 5 7. For 2 3 5 7, these are, we have two factors only. One, the common factor is 1, and the second one, their own table. Now 9 is not a prime number because it has three factors, namely 1, 3 and 9. Numbers which have three or more factors are called composite numbers. So which have more than three factors, those are composite numbers. Okay, co-prime number is the numbers are said to be co-prime numbers if they do not have any factor in the common other than 1. For example, 8. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8, and factors of 25 is 1, 5, 25. So there is no common factor other than 1 between 8 and 25. So it means they are co-prime numbers. Facts about tests of divisibility. Now in this chapter, what we have to do, we have to check out which number is divisible by which number. So for this we have divisibility test. The first one, divisibility by 2, it means the end digit of the numbers. If 2, 4, 6 and 8, then it will be divisible by 2. For divisibility by 3, the number we have to add it separately, each and every number. The answer, which is 15, if it's divisible by 3 with the help of 3's table, then it means it is divisible by 3 also. Okay, now divisibility of 4, we have to check the last one's digit. If a number is divisible by 4, if the digit at ones and tens place, last two digits are divisible by 4. So in this 32 is divisible by 4, it means this number is also divisible by 4. Now divisibility test by 5. In this, what you have to see, if the end digit is 5 or 0, it means it is divisible by 5. Now divisibility test by 6, you have numbers, you have to separately add it and you have to see if it apply the rules for the 2 and 3 divisibility test, then it is also divisible by 6. Okay, so for 2, what you have to check, the end digit is 2, right? And end digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, right? So the for number 2, it's okay. But for number 3, we have to add it separately. Then we get 24. It means 24 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 6. Next, we have divisibility by 9. So again, similarly for the 3 ones, we have to add it separately. The answer is divisible by 9. It means it divisible by 9 also. 10, for 10, we have to just check the end digit 0. If the end digit is 0, it means okay, this is also divisible by 10. Divisibility test by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by digits at the last three places, 100, tens and ones. If these three last places is divisible by are 0, is divisible by 8. So what you have to do, you have to consider the last three digits. If these last three digits is exactly divisible by 8, it means the whole number is, it could be divisible by 8. Now 11, for 11 you have to do separate your numbers among even position and even places and the odd places. So you have this number 926417879. This is even. You have to start from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this manner, 1 is an odd number, so odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Now, first you have to add the odd places, which is 9, 8, 4, 2, 23. Next, you have to add the even places, which is 23. While you subtract it, so you will get 0. Therefore, 92614,879 is divisible by 11. So for 11, you have to check if the difference is 11, or the difference would become it divisible by 11 stable. It means it is divisible by 11 also. And the 0, it means the making a number divisible. When a number is not exactly divisible by a given number, we can subtract or add a number to it, make it exactly divisible by the given number. So what should be subtracted from this to make it exactly divisible by 12? So first what we do, we have to divide this number by 12. So we get 8. This number, which is a remainder, if we add, what we have to do, if we subtract it from this number, so we will get are exactly divisible by number, which is 38940, and last digit is 0, so it could be divisible by 5 or 10. Okay. Now write whether the following statements true. Every number is a factor of itself. True. All numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their ones place are odd numbers. False. 9 is not a prime number. True. Okay, so you have to answer these questions. When a divisor divides a number such that there is no remainder left, then the dividend is called a factor. All those whole numbers which are not even are called odd. In same manner, you have to solve each and every filling the blanks. Write the factors of the following numbers. So for the 14, we have 2, 7 and 14. Okay, write the first 5 multiples of the following. When we are talking about the multiples, so we have to write the tables of that particular number till 5th place. So we have 5 multiples. So 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 24, 30. These are the first 5 multiples of the number. Check which of the following are prime or composite. Prime numbers are those numbers which have a common factor of 1 or itself only, or composite numbers means which have factors more than 3. Okay, yeah, more than 2 we can also say. So 49, it is a composite number. 81 is also a composite number. 79 is a prime number, and 41 is also a prime number. Write the first 10 prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime numbers. You can also continue this counting till 10th place. Select the co-prime numbers from the following pair. So co-prime number means के जिनके पास common नहीं होगा. So these are not. These have common 7. Okay. So in these also have common. These are the composite numbers. This is also composite numbers. Okay. Without actual division, test the divisibility test of the following numbers by 4. By 4 हमारा ones please. Ones or tens. ये भी नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा. This one. By 4. By 6. So by 6, what we have to follow for the divisibility test of 2 and 3 should be there and fulfill their conditions. So if we add 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. So it means this is divisible by 6. By 8, we have to check the 100 place. This is not possible. This is not. Then 7, 5, 6. Hope so. कि ये वाला हो जाए. Hope so. ठीक है. By 3 and 9. So same, you have to follow the you have to apply your previous knowledge and you have to solve these questions your own. What should we subtract from this to make it exactly divisible by 9? So you have to divide this number by 9, and the which remainder you get, you have to subtract it. Then it will become your exactly divisible number by 9. Okay. A number which divides the dividend completely, it's called a factor. The factors of 10 are 2, 3, 2 and 5. So you have to tick on the correct options, and that's it for today's class. And I hope so you learn everything in this chapter. If you have any kind of doubt, so what you have to repeat the content, evaluate yourself, and then again repeat the questions. That's it for today's class. Now I will be meet you in your next class with a new chapter. Till that, bye bye students. Have a good day.